Hello. Today I will tell that what are the problem in understanding the relations. For this, we have to first of all understand that what relations are. When we talk about relations, in mathematics, there are two types of relations. One is a direct relation and another is the inverse relation or the indirect relation. When we talk about the direct relation and the inverse relation, direct relation means if there are two things A and B and A is increasing, then the B is also increasing is known as direct relation. While in the case of inverse relation, if there is A which is increasing, then in this case B has to decrease. This is known as inverse relation. When in class 3, first of all, we get the question of unitary method where there are different type of questions. Teacher should first of all convey that what the direct and the inverse relations are. Because in the first example, if I say that 5 pen cost rupees 10. So what is the cost of 1 pen? Student solve it by 10 divided by 5 and the correct answer is rupees 2. And he knows that this is the correct answer. Suppose we take another example that 5 men can complete a work in 10 days. So, in how many days 1 man will complete it? If you look at the question, then both the questions look like to be the same. Class 3 student is not able to understand that how this question is different from this question. But if we understand the relationship, what is the direct relationship and what is the inverse relationship, we are able to identify that this question is a question of direct relationship and this question is a question of inverse relationship. Here the correct answer will be 10 multiplied by 5 and that is 50 days. So we can say in the first example we are dividing the two and in the second example we are multiplying the two. Now the point is that why we are dividing in this case and why we are multiplying in this case, because this is the direct relationship. I can say that if the number of pen are increasing, then the cost of these pen will also increase. As I told that if A is increasing, the B is also increasing is known as direct relationship. And in every question of direct relationship, we have to divide. While in the case of inverse relationship here, I am saying that if the number of men are more to do a work, then the number of days in which they will complete the work will decrease. And this is considered to be an inverse relationship where we have to multiply. So, class 3 student, the first exercise is all the questions where there is direct relationship and he understands that we have to divide in all the questions. While in the next exercise, he has all the questions on inverse relationship and he knows that he has to multiply all the questions. But when in the exam there comes a question, he is unable to identify that this question is based on direct relationship or this question is based on inverse relationship. So first of all, in class 3, a student should understand the meaning of relations and what are the direct and the inverse relation and how to identify it in different questions. That is very important. That is the most important aspect to understand the unitary method. Thank you.